Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. You can ring my bell, ring my bell. Ding dong, ding, 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 dong. What am I doing today? I'm doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. And I actually have all the prices of everything because I got lucky. They sent me an email with all the prices. I was going to go through and look them all up individually, but I did not have to do that. So this is let's just call it a $30 bag because they raised up some shipping or some stuff. And it's more expensive now than ever. And I've got all kinds of stuff in here. I've got stuff in this bag and other stuff. So let's get in it. Let's do it to it. What's in the bag? And this is a lovely bag, but these bags are really useless. You really can't do much with them. I mean, they'd be a nice gift bag or something. Oh yeah. It's my heat brush, and the value that they put on this brush is ridiculous. And it's got a little card that says soak it all in. What's up, Ruby? And it has SPF tips. We don't care. I use sunscreen when I go to the pool. I'm a good girl. So I'm going to be using this brush, and it says that it is ceramic tourmaline bristles glide through hair. Infrared technology locks in moisture for frizz-free hair, rapidly heats up to 400 degrees. Heat-resistant bristle guard, dual voltage for worldwide use. And it is at soleilhairtools.com. And since I have such a great little bob, I thought a heat brush would be a great option to try for my do. And oh my goodness, it's got the big sticker on the cord and a bag on the brush. And it is a mini little brush, but it'll be great for curling my hair under. And it's easy to handle, and it's got a little slidey thing. And let me tell you how much they say this brush is worth. Hair tools can be expensive, but they say this brush is worth $150. Yeah, I paused for your shock and awe. This is not a $150 tool. This is maybe a $30 tool. So they're crazy with that valuation. And then this tells you how to do the different thing and use code SOL55 for 55% off. And it says it's good till 12/31/2020. So this brush is old. My nose is running. But anyway, this is a nice little brush. I'll be happy to use it. So $150. Not for a 2-year-old brush. And then we have a toner, which is the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner, and with vegan probiotics and prickly pear extract. And it is a lovely box. And the Glow Toner is $34 in value. And this looks great. I've received a fancy Glow Toner from Charlotte Tilbury, an influencer right now, so I'm using that. And boy, do I love having Charlotte Tilbury stuff. But this will be great for when I'm done with that. But it's going to be a long time till I'm done with that because it takes a while to use a toner. But this is nice to have. And $34 valuation is not too bad. That's reasonably priced. Unlike that heat brush. Heat brush. Next up, oh, I'm excited about this. This is called the Volition Yeah, Volition Screen Time Hydra Mist. And it's got green tea and rose hip in it. And I love a facial mist. It's got a very fine mist to it. It smells amazing. Very excited to have that. I like to keep that in my living room where I do some of my skincare. Then we have from Context some balms. Oh, and the Hydra Mist was $29. And these are some tinted lip balms. If they'll come out and play. Let me take the other end off and push them out. Because I love a tinted lip balm. And you can't have too many tinted lip balms. Like regular lip balms, a mile a minute, they're everywhere. But the nice tint, look at that color. That's beautiful. That is a beautiful color. I love that. And then this is a beautiful nude color. I love that too. And this is $30 for the 2 tinted lip balms. Very nice. I will also keep those in my living room. 2 tinted lip balms. And last but not least, we have a perfume, and I am a perfume-aholic. I have a lot of perfume. I have a perfume collection, so I'm very excited to have something new. And this is called Coconut Cove from Skylar Clean Beauty. And I received a bunch of a nice sample kit from Skylar Perfume from one of my best friends in the entire world, Candy Sass. And it's delightful. I've really enjoyed their fragrances. And this looks like a roller ball. And let's see what it smells like. It says Coconut Cove. Oh, it's so nice. It's very light, and it's got a little coconut beach kind of smell to it. I love it. It smells like a coconut beach. So that's great. And this is $29. So we've got a perfume. We've got a toner. We've got tinted lip balms. We've got an overpriced hairbrush that heats up. It's a hot brush. Jump back, kiss myself. So pretty. A little James Brown for you, and a nice face mist. And the total of the bag this month, this is July, is $272. Once again, maybe a little overpriced, but I'll tell you how much I like it when I use it. And I'm very happy with this bag. It's all stuff that I will use, and I love that smell. That perfume is so nice. And perfumes can be so dicey. But thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. I'll see you real soon.